Hey guys, morning. This is about 3 minutes to 10, and it's been a perfect start to the morning so far, and I'm happy with it. I did have 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep today, um, and I woke up at about 8:40. The alarm was 8:35, and my housemaid, house help, Mamta, arrived on time. I had called her at 8:30. She came at 8:40 as well. When the bell rang, I woke up. I had a shower, I had my apple cider and lemon, and I had black tea. And today I had to come to a different center for workout because the scheduling classes I wanted were not there at 56. So I've come to phase one, and I'm about to hit the class in like a minute now. And yeah, but a really smoothly flowing morning today, which is rare somehow. We shouldn't have these rare, but somehow they're rare. Catch you later in the day. Hey guys, not had any time since morning to kind of record a video post. When I was in the gym, that's when I recorded the last video, and that was at what time was it? That was about 9 o'clock. No, 10 o'clock. I did the gym at 10 and 11:30 today. So I did shoulders today. It was a really hard workout. Focusing on one muscle group is really hard. Otherwise, sometimes these guys focus on upper body and lower body, which is a bunch of muscle groups. But when you focus on like one muscle, for example, you do arms or you do shoulders, it gets even hard. It was really hard, but good workout for shoulders. I did it after a long time. And then I did a retro special dance class. I had no expectations, but it was fab, absolutely fab. I mean, the trainer was a girl, and I forget her name, but she was fire, absolute fire. She was so, not just she was fire, she was also like, she made the whole session very entertaining. That was great fun. So that was at 11:30. So 10 to 12:30 I was in the gym. Then a friend of mine, who's my neighbor also, he invited me to lunch very kindly. Very nice guy. And he said, come for lunch. And so I went at 1:30. So I came back at about 1, and 1:30 I went to have lunch with him. And so it was some Oriental restaurant in Sector 58. Nice market. It's a nice office market, whatever it is, and I went there for the first time. Also downtown and a bunch of new restaurants. So it was Oriental food, damn good food. So yeah. Otherwise, I've not been socializing a lot of late, but he invited me, so I went, and it was nice lunch. So I came back by about 2:33. Then yeah, I mean there was a gig that was supposed to be happening tomorrow, but unfortunately there were no tickets. So I coordinated for that, waited till about 4 o'clock, and there were no tickets, so we had to cancel that. So I need to figure out how to make that new venue work. So I'll figure out if I can find some more acts who can sell tickets. Otherwise, the venue is good. It's in South Point Mall, Berlin. So yeah, that's something I need to do, how to make it work. And then I rested for about half an hour. It's about, I'm just like trying to calculate where the fuck is the day's gone, right? So till 4:30 I rested, then I had chai. My sister was also here, my mom's here for the weekend. So she was here, spent some half an hour, 1 hour with them. I just had chai, which is my first milk and sugar chai for the day. And yeah, it's already about 6:45, so yeah, some time spent at home, some rest, cancelled the show. Also written to my tattoo guy. I'm gonna take a break for tattoos, like it's been pending for a while. So I'm gonna take a break, get a few tattoos on my body, and yeah, then I'll have to take 15 days break from workout and stuff I do, because because you can't do it. You can't work out. You can't do a bunch of, like, you can't rub that part of the skin. So there's a lot of stuff you can't do because you have those new tattoos, right? Because they take some time to settle in. So finally, it's been pending for about a few months now. So I finally decided to get that done. So I written to that guy. He's actually calling right now as I'm recording this video. So I'm going to call him right after. Um, yeah, so that's been the day. That's where the day has gone. I have 2 shows tonight at Guftu. They all happen. I also haven't written new jokes, but I'll go and I'll do the shows. I'll try a few lines new, but I'll make some more time to kind of write next week. So that's it gone. I think I'm okay. I wish the tomorrow's gig was happening because it was a new venue and I would have been happy if it happened, but it's not happening. So yeah, you need to keep calibrating what doesn't work and keep trying to see how to make things work. That's what I'm gonna do. So catch you later in the day. Hey guys, the day review for 9th of May. The day is almost over, and I think overall I had a pretty good day. Although I was not very productive, but I am feeling kind of, I'm feeling mostly happy today because one reason for that is because I had uninterrupted sleep last night, which I said in yesterday's day review that I do wish I have it, and I did have it. So I slept 8 hours last night uninterrupted, which is great. So because that the rest of the day was kind of like went well. I did dance on a retro special today, amazing playlist, and I did shoulders in the gym. After that, I mostly rested or did whatever. I did some errands which I had to do. One show, tomorrow's show got cancelled, but yeah, I need to work on that. Yeah, and the 2 shows tonight went really well. I mean, there's a guy in the last show. I mean, the one show is full, really good show, went well. And the second show, there's a guy here, he said I have 5 girlfriends. And but none of them are my girl. Like, really ridiculous guy. So he made me laugh so much. So basically that happened. So overall the day was good. I'm happy. I hope today also have uninterrupted sleep. Uninterrupted. Alright, uninterrupted. Good night.